calling it a mug press is rather limiting. So we're gonna try some other things with it. See if we can make it do more than just press mugs. There's gotta be other uses for it. Let's investigate. Also, I had to connect this thing to my computer to activate it, which, come on. I mean, come on. But I do want to point out that this video is not sponsored by Cricut in any way, and they probably do not want me to do all the things I'm about to do. So just know that going in, okay? It's yelling at me. It's beeped quite a few times now, so it wasn't in there that long, but the thing said it was done. So, I mean, obviously this thing's gonna know when a grilled cheese is done, so I'm just gonna trust its judgment. Ah, it's barely warm. I think I'm gonna email Cricut and tell them their grilled cheese algorithm is off. Do it again. I don't know. Like, it doesn't really feel... I don't think our cheese is going to be melted in here. But we'll see. Oh no, we do have some melt. So cheese is melted on one end. I think I need to rotate it and put this end at the bottom now. So we're gonna go one more go round. The nice thing, at least, is that this is designed to heat a mug, right? All the way around. So, like, you don't need to rotate it to make sure the heat's hitting it on every side. The heat's gonna be hitting it everywhere. The tricky part with this is because it's smaller, like up here, okay, now it's gonna heat. So like that'll heat the top of the bread okay, but the bottom's not gonna get as hot, I don't think. But so we're gonna leave it like that. All right, the LEDs aren't changing. It's still not recognizing there's anything in there, which again, come on, thing. I thought you're supposed to be smart. But it's been, I don't know, close to 5 more minutes. So we're gonna pop it out, see what we look like. It is definitely hotter now. Look at that melty action. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to just taste it and see how it tastes. That is good. I've done a lot of silly things. A cannon. This might be the smartest silly thing I've done. But with the smaller baguette loaf, it was kind of a hassle. So maybe with a more robust loaf of bread, it'll work a little better. Let's find out. Works. I think I need some dessert. Yeah, I need some dessert. Let's do that. So I just got the mug cake out. I put it in there twice. The first time it was still kind of runny in the middle, so I don't think it was done. Put the fudge topping on it. It's still very hot, so I'm gonna let it cool for a few more minutes, and then we'll try it out. And if the one thing you hate about mug cakes is how quick they are to make, then use a mug press instead, and it'll take you 4 times as long, and it might not even be cooked properly. It's got a fudge topping on it, so if it looks gooey still, that's why. The ratio of fudge topping to actual brownie is off. Like, there's way too much fudge on there. But it looks like it's cooked, so that's a bonus. Pretty sure I'm going to burn my mouth. Yeah, it's cooked. Obvious reasons, the outside got a lot more done than the middle. Mug press works great as a mug press. I made this mug. There's plenty of other videos out there that show how great it works as a mug press and making tumblers and whatnot, so go watch those if you want to see it actually in use. If you want to see me do more stupid stuff with it, leave a comment down below and I'll consider the suggestions and maybe do a bunch of quick ones all in one more video here in the future. Otherwise, if you want to see the mug press actually in action, making mugs and stuff, I'll link a video in the description that actually shows you how to do that from my friends JZ and D on their channel Just Might DIY. They got the mug press, and talking to them one night on a Zoom call is actually when we came up with the idea to do this silliness, and nobody else was brave enough to pull the trigger, but I finally talked my wife into letting me do it, so I'm really glad this worked. Otherwise, there'll be a lot of couch sleeping in my future. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go. Comment below if you want me to do anything else silly with it. I'm more than happy to do it, and we'll see you later. Bye! Pretty good.